Yeah. We want peace. We want peace. Stop the war. We want peace. We want peace. Yeah. People are dying. Children are crying. Leaders are lying. Corruption within. Greed, rich, and pride. What are you fighting for? People suffer of weak leadership. They seat on their huge mansion while men are dying in battle. Men with wife and children asking why are we fighting for? Oh please, hundreds, millions are dying. What are you fighting for?
Stop the war, stop the killing. Let the children live. Let the people free. Stop the war, stop the killing. Let the children live. Let the people free.
Flesh and blood is not an enemy. Evil and darkness is possessing our leaders. They preach peace in daylight and killing our children at night. All about greed, rich and power. Their heart is cold and harder. They have no idea what are they talking about. No understanding, no knowledge at all. War is not gonna solve their problems. All they gotta do is get out of the way and let the right people